Hi everyone. Hope you're all doing good and safe. My name is Hitesh. I'm back with another review on ERC shock absorbers. I had actually shared my experiences with rear shock absorbers in my XUV W7 previously. That was few months ago. Uh, I'm back with a review for front shock absorbers, which I got fixed in my XUV last year, August. Initially, when I had ordered for a shock absorber in 2018 for my car, we did not have front shock absorbers. So when I got to know that the front shock absorbers are available now, I actually ordered for the same and received it in about 10 to 12 days. I would have to thank Deepak ji for all his efforts, and I got a timely delivery. So I got this fixed mainly to check how the performance would be. Because in my previous video I had mentioned that I was happy with the rear shock absorbers, but then I had also mentioned that I could enjoy only about 80 to 90% comfort with rear shock absorbers, not 100%. We could still feel the sidewise jerk when you actually drive on a rumble or on a road hump or maybe in a bad road. My wife always complained that this was very uncomfortable sitting in a bad road. So I got the shock absorbers and then I got it fixed from one of the local mechanics. I should say that I was amazed with the drive quality the time we fixed this shock absorbers. Initially, I asked my mechanic to take a test drive. I was sitting as a co-passenger, mainly to check if the problem that was complained by my wife was actually taken care. And I should say that this was completely arrested. There was no problem with while driving in a bad road or while we took off on a road hump or when we actually moved on a rumble actually. And then I would say that my personal experience when I was on the steering also was really, really good. The feeling driving with front shock absorbers from ARC is really amazing. And the drive quality improves to 100%. It is more sturdy, the braking is more effective, and the co-passengers and the passenger sitting at back also feel that the vehicle does not shake much. This is not only from my family, this is not the feedback only from my family members, but then my friends who actually were with me while I was driving on a long drive recently. And then if I have to talk about a problem, I faced this issue moment I got this front shock absorbers fixed and I took off my vehicle on a highway. I could hear a knocking sound, which was actually very annoying. Whenever I used to, go on a road hump or maybe in a bad road, there was a large knocking sound that I could hear. I called Deepak ji, and then he promptly answered my call, and then he shared few pics on my WhatsApp to update me on the exact issue. This was done after explaining him what exactly was the issue. I must say that he is so perfect in his work that when we actually took it to mechanic, we just showed the pic and this particular mechanic just tightened the bolts and the sound just disappeared. From then till now, I have not been facing any issue, but just enjoying the drive quality and there is completely no jerk sidewise. Yes, of course, if the vehicle is not loaded completely and if you are alone, you may feel a bit, while you just take off on the road humps, but then otherwise there's been no issues at all. The comfort and the drive quality is really improved. I must say to everyone that you should go for both the shock absorbers, that is front and rear, if you are changing your shock absorbers. I wish you all good luck. Stay safe. Thank you.